There is a company in the United States looking for a junior backend developer. You can see it here, junior backend developer. And they write that the developer should be able to extend all the way to their APIs, which is understandable because backend developers usually work on APIs, but also iOS and Android applications, CMS and CRM solutions. Now, I thought, hey, maybe recruiters don't know what Android really is, what it is. So let me dive right in. Android is an operating system for mobile smartphones, So OS stands for operating systems in general, and there are many more operating systems like iOS. iOS is developed by Apple, right? This is closed source, while Android is open source operating system. Windows is also closed source. Microsoft keeps it closed, it's not open source, while Android was actually a company. It was a tiny little startup years ago, acquired by Google, and now Google sponsors it and open sourced it, and now it's driven by the community. So that's really cool. It's really widespread. So you guys, if you use some other phone than Apple, you are likely to use Android on the smartphone. So Android is an operating system only for smartphones. You cannot really use it for servers. You cannot really use it for, I don't know, personal computers. It's only good for touch screen based devices. Okay, it could be also tablets. I mean, it's not just smartphone. It could be a tablet. Generally something that has a screen, touch screen. Oh, and you should also know that Android could also be used in cars. Okay, so it also could be used in a car to run some application. And you guys may know, for example, Java, right? So Java is a programming language used to develop Android applications. And not just Java, but also Kotlin. So Java was used historically to build Android mobile applications, and Kotlin is a new language, new programming language. So these two are programming languages. Android is an operating system, and using these programming languages, developers write mobile applications that run on smartphones or tablets. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Android as an equivalent to iOS. iOS is an operating system developed by Apple, while Android is developed by open source community sponsored by Google. All right, so with that, let's wrap it up, and we will dive deeper probably in some of those more advanced topics where we will discuss how to hire Android developers, how to build mobile app teams, how to interview, how to assess Java and Kotlin developers, what kind of questions to ask them. But for now, you need to know what Android is. How can you build applications on Android? Please go ahead and share this video with your friends and colleagues, recruiters who may benefit from our training and can figure out how to hire Android developers with confidence.